Let's temporarily deactivate or disable your Instagram account. To start, open your Instagram application, then tap the profile icon. Now you have to tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner. Here select Account Center. Now select Personal Details. Select Account Ownership and Control. Here select Deactivation or Deletion. After that, you have to select Instagram. Then you can see Deactivate account is selected by default. But the problem is you can't deactivate your account multiple times within a week. Once you deactivate it, you have to wait another week. So to go forward, tap continue. Then you have to re-enter your password to verify yourself. Then you have to provide a reason. Here, I will set the last option, something else. Then I will tap the continue. Then to deactivate your account, all you have to do, just tap Deactivate account button. Then your Instagram account will be deactivated as well as you will be logged out from your Instagram. Instead of deactivating, if you want to permanently delete it, click this end screen video and come on over. See you in the next one. Later.